Hello everyone. I'm going to show you today on how to create your own Shopify account. First, you need to log into shopify.com and then enter your email. Then start your free trial. Okay. Then create your Shopify account. Then let's click on this one which is applicable to us. For me, I want to create a fully customized online store. This one and the social media to reach customers on Facebook. Then click next, which best describes you. I'm not selling yet since I'm still exploring this one. What do you want to plan to sell? I will decide later. Then skip and I'll decide later. And there it is, your own Shopify store account. This one you will see the home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, online stores, and then settings. In settings, here you see general. This one, your store. You may edit this one, like my store will be, I will name my store into Mimi store. Let's try this one and then put, then save. This one, then you may edit this one. Since I'm still exploring the site, I will not change it for the meantime. Then plan, billing, user permissions, payments, checkouts, taxes and duties, location, markets, apps, channels, domains, customer notifications, and then this one. Then let's go back to our store. Go back on the main page, this one. In here, this one you will add your product or your products that you will sell. Click this one. There's also a step setup guide for which it will help you to understand on how to explore the site. This one, title or the brand or your product, like t-shirt, then you add description here and then add your picture or media here. And then also there's also a generated, if you have a hard time getting a product description, you may put the keywords on your product and it will automatically generate here a description on your preferred or specific product. Since I'm new in this site, or I have still more to explore. But here it is, our Shopify store.